I come from a family of doctors, so as a child I've seen my parents work, and I've always been inspired to be like them. So that's why I chose to be a doctor. I think it swings both ways because we take care of the mums over a period of 9 months. Sometimes they just want to be heard as a friend. That's when the friend comes in. And the other times, based on certain situations that may evolve, sometimes just to let them know the gravity of the situation, you need to be a doctor. So I think by the end of it, they see both aspects of you. I would say patience, compassion, and communication. Patience to just hear them out, compassion to deal with them, and the communication to just let them know that we are here with them to sail through this. Oh, it's been a lovely experience. It's been 7 years and counting. So a wonderful experience, learned a lot, and I'm here today because of what I've learned, and hopefully will continue for a very long time. So I would say our field is very challenging. There are a lot of new scenarios that we get to deal with every day. But of late, what I've really learned to admire is the women with certain medical disorders wherein there are high-risk pregnancies. They accept their scenarios so well. They'd be popping so many pills every day or, pricking themselves for monitoring their sugars. But still, when they come to you, they come greet you with a smile. And they don't get perturbed by anything. So it's just very motivating to see them go through what they go through and still have the courage to accept and just move on. So I think that's really something that's been inspiring me a lot these days. Oh, at the moment it would definitely be anything to do with my kids. So over the weekends, it's just, taking them out for a picnic or doing any activity with them. Just coloring itself these days feels like a blessing. So anything with them at the moment would be my favorite pastime. I'm an obsessive cleaner. So I am quite like the Monica Geller from the series Friends. It's really very hard for me to just look at some place that is not clean. So yes, an obsessive cleaner. I think it would be something to do with designing, maybe an interior designer, or run my series of clothes maybe with my love for saris, something to do with sari designing maybe. Yeah.